Introducing iMate, the ultimate companion for all Apple devices. Revolutionary. Plug and sync all of your favorite Apple devices at the same time. Apple Watch charging, certified by Apple. With iMate dual Type-C power delivery docking station. Exceptional power solution. 2-port USB. USB-C primary. Charge 3 times faster. Compatible with all Apple devices. Dual Type-C, 10 GB S data speed with PD fast charge. Quick transfer, flawless data transfer that's even faster than you can blink. Ultra compact with powerful built-in features. There's no need to pack along multiple adapters, dongles and hubs when you're on the road with iMate.